The main development of quantum calculations can have the key to revealing the secrets of aliens. Researchers have recently studied Proxima B using the Majorana 1000 Quadji chip, and some experts believe that this breakthrough can innovate our understanding of the distant world. Despite the fact that Proxima B is the closest famous foreigner, it is very mysterious. Can you support life? Is this an atmosphere? They are questions that astronomers have met for years and are looking for the final answer. NASA scientists and artificial intelligence experts are now identifying the details that can be detected once by using advanced modeling. Major physics theoretical Michio Kaku has long argued that quantum calculations can revolutionize the universe's research. Quantum calculations can unlock the deepest secrets of the universe, he said. Applying aliens to research can consider the future of space research. For the first time, one of the most advanced quantum chips was instructed to analyze Proxima B when it was made, and what he simply found is already a serious question. Proxima B attracted scientists from the moment of discovery. In 4.2 years, this is the famous alien planet closest to Earth, rotating in the residential area of the star Proxima Centaurus. This means that liquid water can exist on the surface as a major component of lifetime, as we know in the right conditions. But despite the fact that he is our neighbor, Proxima B still remains a mystery. His parent star is an extreme sun island that can make the atmosphere deprive you and can't ignore the surface. Some studies have shown that planets are on the other hand for eternal sunlight and on the other hand in the dark. Others suggest that he can have a thick atmosphere or a huge sea under the cloud layer. The debate lasted for several years. Can Proxima B is the closest world to support life or another barren rock? The Majorana chip 1000 Quad appears here. Classic modeling requires tremendous computing performance, but the results are often incomplete or dependent on home. Quantum calculations change the game completely. The Majorana 1000 qubit chip, one of the most advanced quantum processors built so far, has been developed for extreme calculations. Instead of analyzing planetary data, you can handle numerous variables linearly as a traditional computer, providing much more accurate and dynamic modeling for climate, atmosphere, and atmosphere. If quantum calculations can successfully imitate the complex physics of the alien planet, we can change the way we are looking for life in space. When scientists used this technology for the analysis of Proxima B, the results were not the same as what they expected. Researchers have nutrition to data on decades collected from the Space Telescope, including the spectral measurement of high-resolution and infrared scanning. This dataset includes important information about the atmosphere of Proxima B, interaction with star radiation, and how light acts when passing through the environment. Using the quantum algorithm, the chip reconstructed the nervous model of the atmospheric composition of the Proxima B, indicating the temperature change on the planet's surface, analyzing how the atmosphere absorbed and reflected the light, and modeled the possible climatic cycles based on the orbital dynamics of the Earth. This level of accuracy was a classic modeling that was previously impossible for several years to handle incomplete photographs, and quantum chips that provided the results only in the clock. The quantum HIP then found that Proxima B's past analysis, which is expected to find a static barren environment, has never been before. But instead, the chip identified unexpected fluctuations in the standby model that challenged the previous model. This transformation was random. They have followed a cycle similar to seasonal changes, and are generally observed on planets with complex weather systems. The temperature and density of atmospheric density is estimated by the Proxima B climate and can be much more dynamic than previously expected. If this is true, this has an active atmosphere that can spread heat and energy on the one hand, it does not freeze and does not burn on the other. Then a real bomb appeared. As part of the standby data, the chip has found a molecular signature that matches water vapor and is a potential indicator of the sea hidden under the formation of clouds, combs, or dense gas layers. More interesting and weaker traces of organic compounds appeared in the spectrum analysis. This carbon-based molecule is a building block of life as we know. The result is amazing. If the atmosphere of Proxima B changes over time, the climate is not statistical but can mean developing. Can he have a weather system? Is it a literary cycle? The presence of organic compounds raised greater questions. Can these fluctuations give hints on biological activities? If these signals are believed by some scientists, Proxima B cannot be a barren world. The discovery of molecular signature of air vibration, possible seasonal cycles in water and organic compounds left a deep question by scientists. It's too early to draw a final conclusion, but researchers have proposed 3 possible explanations about the above discovery of Majorana 1000 cube. The first opportunity is that Proxima B has a rare standby phenomenon on the planet that rotates the red star. These stars release intense radiation bursts to cause extreme but periodic air changes. If the atmosphere of the Earth is constantly changing as a result of the star activity of Proxima Centauri, this can explain the irregular climate pattern found. Nevertheless, this scenario is likely to complicate the possibility of living because the extreme sun island can deprive the air over time. Second, the more teasing theory assumes that Proxima B can have a sea or groundwater under a thick atmosphere. In the case of confirmation, it will be one of the most promising alien planets when LIBA finds alien life. Liquid water is the basis of the biological process on Earth, and if it exists in Proxima B, it is more likely to develop microorganisms as well as the hidden sea of the ice Croatia of our solar system and Encelada. But the third explanation is most controversial. Some researchers pointed out that the fluctuations found by quantum chips were structurally very specific and random in the same way. This led to the assumption that the abnormalities could be the result of an unknown planet or the result of artificial. Can this signal be a product of geological activity, the form of complex climate regulation, or even what was designed? This idea remains purely, but it has been discussed about the potential of non-natural influence on alien planets. To make this discovery a particular innovative is a way to challenge the previous family for Proxima B. Previously, the study showed that the planet was tied, which means that one hemisphere was in a constant daylight and the other hemisphere remained in the eternal darkness. The script did not seem to withstand the stable atmosphere. Nevertheless, the new data of quantum chips indicates that Proxima B can experience atmospheric change or planetary rotation. And here is the crazy part. Scientists now believe that we can confirm this conclusion, and the answer can appear earlier than we think. The discovery of atmospheric vibration, possible seasonal cycle, and molecular traces has been excited among scientists, but only assumptions are enough. These results should be confirmed in an independent way. The problem now is that you can prove that Majorana chip 1000th cubes has been found. Can you penetrate the Proxima B bread shell? What do you think? Can it be groundbreaking to change everything we know about alien planets? Share your thoughts in your opinion. If this discovery makes you interesting, please subscribe to the more interesting revelation along the update and make sure you know the notification first.